Ride Culture Tutorial. Full frame bag installation. Tools you need is the ratchet tools with 10mm block. First step, remove the saddle nut. Then remove the saddle from the frame. Put the full frame bag in the middle of the frame. And place the Velcro in the proper place for the next step. Attach all of the Velcro straps together. Then when you finish the Velcro step, put the saddle back in its place. Use the ratchet tools to tighten properly the saddle nut. In this step we suggest to put just only 4 screws, that is enough to lock the saddle. Now you're all set to head out and have a blast with our full frame bag all day long. For more information, please visit our website, rideculturebike.com.